Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, my name is Koko Guerra. You can roll the R. Anyways, today's video is going to be another hijab haul, but this time, hold up. This time these were gifted to me by Voile Chic. Oh my gosh, like I had, listen, if I take y'all back to my journey with Voile Chic, this they don't even know about. When I started, I think in 2014, I started hearing of all these companies coming up. Was it 2014? I don't know. Let me give you all a brief little insight about how I'm feeling right now. So when, I'm sorry if I keep looking over there, that's because that's where the monitor is. So just ignore when my eyes shift and go over there. I just want to make sure that everything is everything, you know? Alright, so when I want to fast forward to either 2014, 2015, right? I started hearing about these companies, like, you know, companies coming up that were selling hijabs and things like that. And I went to Voile Chic because I think someone had tagged them. And I went to their stuff and I was like, oh, nice. The hijabs are 20, maybe I could get one. Just to give you brief insight, 2014, 2015 were my struggle years financially, like going through it, honey, okay? So I saw this company and I was like, you know, I'm gonna order some hijabs, and I just really kind of never got around to it because the baby need this, the baby need that, the baby, you know. So we just put ourselves on the back burner, boom, boom, boom. Fast forward to 2020. And this company is gifting me hijab. Like, please, you gotta respect the glow up. So that's why I'm like smiling from ear to ear, because hard work and dedication, baby, will never fail you unless it's not meant for you. But obviously this is meant for me. So I just want to say really quick, thank you so much, Voile Chic, for not only being dope and showing up for the Black Lives Matter movement continually, not just a black square on the page, but showing up, but for helping black entrepreneurs and other non-black entrepreneurs. Just thank you for being like such a meaningful like brand. I swear it's beyond the hijab with Voile Chic, and I can feel that. And you guys, when you get a chance, go support this brand, go get your stuff from this brand. They are awesome. So all right, I don't know why I always drag this out, but anyways, here are my gifts. So don't judge me. These that are in this bag I've worn already. I've worn this one as well. Well, today's my first day wearing this one, honestly. And then these, and then I have two more that are dirty, which means I wore them and I got makeup on them, and so they need to be washed. But I will tell you the colors that I got because they're on here. Don't judge my phone screen. Don't do that. We all go through something. We all have a chapter we don't read out loud. And that chapter is my phone screen. So it's cracked, but you know what? I'm just gonna tell y'all, and I'm just gonna put it on the screen right here. Y'all know how I feel. So if you watch my first video, you know how I feel about hijabs. Baby. They're everything. It's a crown. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the hijabs. So the one that I have on, I do not have the color, because the one thing with Voile Chic's website is that when they sell out, they remove it off the website. So you won't be able to see the colors that you ordered if they sell out. So I'm going to continue looking to see the updates, to see when they restock, and I will put the link in the bio. But let me show you what I mean about instant hijabs. So when you get the hijab, it has a pre-sewn hole. I can't take it off because I'm not covered underneath, of course, but you just slip your face into this pre-sewn hole, and if you want, you can just do like a little fold. If I'm wearing like today, I'm just wearing a turtleneck. That's nobody's business. I know it's summertime, but that ain't nobody's business. So then you would take it, and when I'm feeling like dressy, I like to drape it over the shoulder, like really give you a moment, give you like, I don't know the word for it. When I'm just trying to be like, you know, super like chill, clean, I just throw it to the back. Or it's long enough, right, that you can you can double it, baby. You can just... Voile Chic, come on, please. Like, this is a vibe. This is a vibe. How can you not? Like, even if you don't wear hijab, this quick little 1-2 makes you want to wear hijab. I know it. I feel it. I know you do. So, yeah, this is what's going on. As soon as I find out the color, this will be linked down below. The next color that I received is the color called Burgundy. And, baby, come on. Like, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is so good. Do you know what I'm going to do with this in the fall? Like, do you know, like, let me give y'all flavors. Wow. 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 This is a beautiful color. Like, how gorgeous. So this one is called Burgundy, and because it's burgundy, they're keeping it very simple. Let me see. Yeah, on their website, the names are pretty simple, so it's not nothing you need to like memorize. You can just look up the color. This is beautiful. This is such a beautiful color. So far, this is one of my favorites. Like, this makes me feel like royalty. So let's try the other one on. The next one that I'm going to try on is Dusty Rose. Dusty Rose is a banger. This one is not to be played with. It can go with pretty much everything because it's like that pinky nude color. Please get into it. Like, how beautiful. It's more on the pink side, but I love that. It's still a very neutral pink, and so I love this. But you guys don't understand. I love these more than regular jersey scarves because you just slip your head through a hole and wrap it around. How easy is it to be a hijabi with these pre-sewn scarves? There's geniuses at Voile Chic. That's all I'm going to say. So the next one we're going to do is this fire color, and this is mustard bronze. Wait. I hope this is... Wait, let's see. Let me go to... Okay, this is mustard bronze. I gotta be honest, it looks very, very different on the site. It looks darker. That's how it looks on the site. And here it looks just a teensy-weensy darker. I don't know why it photographs like that, because even when I put it up, it looks close. I don't know. But we're going to try mustard bronze. Okay, so this one is not pre-sewn, but it is very, 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 very beautiful. So I'm not going to put a pin in it just yet. I'll take a long time before I put a pin in my new hijabs. But we're just going to do this for now, so you guys can really, you know, get a feel for the color. This is mustard bronze. This color is so beautiful. Like, I know I'm saying that about all the colors, but come on, you guys. You guys can see what I'm saying about all the colors. This is so nice. Alright, the next one that I'm going to wear doesn't say the color on it, but I think this is gray. Dark gray. I got the dark gray color because I don't have any gray hijabs. A lot of times when I wear like sweatsuit looks, I just always throw on a black. I'm so glad I got this gray one. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm sorry, y'all. Just had a moment. But you know, like, I never really throw on a gray hijab because I always put on a black because I don't have a gray one. So that was perfect. I'm so happy I got one of those. Let me try that on now. And this one is an instant. So let me show you how the instant ones go. Like I said, just a hole. Super easy. Fire. Y'all see it. I kind of like for the tails and my brows to be out. Look at this. Look how gorgeous. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It's not much to say about it because it's gray, but it's bomb. And the fact that it's instant sewn, like everything. Everything. Okay, so the next one. Am I going through these too fast? Are you like vibing with these? Oh, listen. Hijab is secret. So if you don't have a mask or, you know, one, you know, just the regular old thing they tried to ban us from doing, you know, two. So, okay, that failed, but normally I like to at least have a safety pin or a magnet, put it here, and then do the same thing over here. They still jump when they see me walk in the store, but that's just a hijabi secret if you want to do that. This might be one of my go-to hijabs. Y'all might see this a lot, and I don't want to hear no complaints. Like, I heard complaints about my white boots. Y'all are going to see these. I buy quality items, okay? And they cost me a grip every single time. My white boots, to me, are like black boots to me. They are going to be seen, and I don't care what time of the year. They're going to be seen. Are y'all crazy? Anyway, so I'm just warning you now about this gray scarf. This is going to be seen. So the next color, which is one of my favorite colors, is the mocha. I already wore it on Instagram. It got a lot of love too. What was said? Come on. This is beautiful. Like, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color, and I feel like it'll look right on every single complexion. I'm talking from the deepest of shades to the lightest. This is gonna look so good on everybody. It's mocha. It should be the #1 selling. Look how pretty. Look at the undertones. Do I have anything to match this? Like, this is so gorgeous. So I love this hijab. Oh my gosh, Voile Chic, thank you so much. I feel like a spoiled little girl. So I still have one more to go, but the two that you guys didn't see is the black, which is dirty, and the other one is an olive color, but that hasn't come in yet. It's on back order, but I picked that one because I was like, baby, that's a beautiful shade. And it's not too like olivey. It's like between a mixture of gray and olive, if that makes sense. And on the website, it's called Desert. So I will link that below so you can at least see what color it is. Alright, so I'm going to try on this one. I think this is called Buttercream. Buttercream is just a regular hijab that still has a pin in it. I'm so good, I don't care. And then, like I said, I'm going to link the black and the desert color below. So I sometimes leave the pins in my scarves and fold them up because I just want to get like the perfect fit. And that's why I love that the instant sewn ones, they have such, like, I have a big head, but I still kind of need a smaller hole to fit my face in, because I think sometimes when it's too wide, you get too much forehead going on and too much, I got a double chin these days, so you get too much double chin and too much forehead. It's just like, I gotta keep it. But this is the buttercream color, very beautiful color. And I feel like it's a must-have in every hijabi's collection because we need a lighter scarf that's not white. I don't like white hijabs. But anyways, that is it for the try-on part of the video. I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this color, and the fact that it's pre-sewn is love. It's just perfect. Anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys so much. And my last hijab haul did really, really well. So I don't know if this is a haul or a try-on. I think it's a try-on. I think it's a try-on. So I'm still gonna call it a haul because I got to pick what I wanted. And thank you so much again, Voile Chic, for thinking of me, you know, sending these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hijabs to me. I will wear them every single day that I can. I just feel so like blessed, mashallah. So if you guys have not heard of the company, it is VOILE Chic, CHIC. I didn't know how to spell chic for a second. That's here nor there, but beautiful hijabs. You guys already seen. They have colors that I didn't even choose because I just was like getting overwhelmed. But I'm gonna go back on the website and buy with my own money to get the rest of the shades that are not sold out, because they sell out a lot. Also, if you can, the trick that I like to do is, if you really like black hijabs or white hijabs or buttercream, get 2 of the one that you really like. Because the thing is, you know, sometimes, God forbid, we may misplace our favorite hijab, you know, just ripping it off when we come in the door, and then you can't find it the next day. At least you have one in the tuck. That's a little bit of hijabi advice that I've been doing myself. So the colors that I got in the instant pre-sewn from Voile Chic, I also got the colors in regular instant hijab from Hot Hijab. Sorry, my phone just went off. But I feel like when you support me, you support my family, and that means the world to me. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, if you want to see more of these videos, or any ideas of videos that you would want to see, let me know in the comments below. Also, like the video. Don't forget to like the video. So you have 3 things to do. I know YouTubers always give you these jobs to do, but it's not hard. You're gonna help a family. Subscribe, like, and comment. Please. I love you guys. Bye.